Okay, we're rolling.
Okay. We're up at the high drive project and just wanted to kind of give an update. A lot has happened in the last few weeks up here, demo wise. So first thing you see over here is this wall's all torn out. So you can see through. So the goal here is the opening is going to be, where's our markings? Right about here?
It's on the floor.
Yeah. Anyway, 16-foot opening right here. And you will look into this gorgeous range wall right here. So there's going to be big 48-inch range with cabinets and refrigerator on either side. And then they'll be able to stand at their island right here, their sink, and look out at the gorgeous view. So I'm so excited for them.
Gotta check the views.
Yeah. They're going to be turning this over here into their new dining room because, as you remember, this is where the dining room was before. Now their dining room is going to be right there. And right over here, there was a closet here. This is where we're going to have a bar area. So little sink, a beverage fridge, and yeah, just a cute little bar area right here. We're gonna walk through, and this will be kind of a back entryway. I have like a closet right here that they can also use as a pantry, and then we're gonna have double doors, some Frenchies that go out right out to the outside. This is kind of fun. Well, yeah, they've been finding old things in the wall, which is fun. I don't know where the other bottles went, but kind of fun. It's like from the Manitou Pharmacy in Spokane and some old tobacco stuff. But alrighty, so then the wall's gonna come straight across right here. This is gonna be the powder bath back in here. So we're eliminating these two doors. That's gonna be back in there. And then in here, you're gonna walk back. It's hard to tell right now because there's plastic up, but this is going to be a huge mudroom that runs all the way back, and then the new access to the garage is going to be back in there.
Okay.
And then through here, we're going to have a second set of French doors right here going to the office. And yeah, this is a huge change. We have teenage boys, and they've been slowly hauling out. There's a lot of debris and bricks. So they're coming after school to take care of the rest of that. But the wall's gonna go just across right here. So all of this area here, that's on the other side of the plastic. And this is gonna become the new mudroom. So we're gonna have the door from the garage be right through here. So now they'll come in right here. They'll have like cabinets and sink and just a great mudroom, which I'm so excited for them because they're very active family, and I feel like the huge mudroom is going to be like just so good for them. So yeah, so that's kind of the tour. You can kind of see where the progress is, and next week things will really start changing because we're getting into framing, and yeah, things are gonna really start transforming next week, and I'm really excited. That's always where it's fun because then you can actually walk through, and the clients will be able to walk through and just kind of actually, you know, feel a little bit more how everything's gonna be. So I'm excited for that.